In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Epic Games. If your inbox is getting cluttered with updates and promos from Epic Games, this quick walkthrough will help you quiet things down while still keeping your account secure. We're focusing on marketing and news emails here. You may still receive essential messages like receipts or security alerts because those are required to manage your account. Start by opening your web browser and going to epicgames.com. This works best on a desktop browser, but a mobile browser will also do if that's what you have handy. Once the page loads, sign in to your Epic Games account. Click Sign In at the top right and complete the login process. If you use multi-factor authentication, go ahead and confirm that as prompted. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse over your display name to reveal the account menu, then click Account. This takes you into your account settings, where all your personal and communication preferences live. On the left-hand side, or within the Settings tabs, find the section labeled Emails or Communications. Depending on your region or the current site layout, this might also appear as Email Preferences or Communication Preferences. They all take you to the same place, the controls for which emails you receive from Epic Games. Inside this section, you'll see a few options with checkboxes or toggles. Turn off the option for Epic Games products, news, and promotions. This is the big one that covers the general marketing messages. Next, turn off marketing emails and then turn off game updates or news emails. Sometimes these appear as separate items and sometimes they're grouped under one umbrella setting. If you see individual categories, switch each one off. If they're checkboxes, uncheck them. If they're toggles, slide them to the off position. When you're done, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Save Changes button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. You should see a brief confirmation message, or the page will refresh with your new preferences applied. A quick tip: navigate away from the page and come back, or refresh to confirm everything stayed off. From here on, you should notice fewer marketing and news emails from Epic Games. It may take a short time for changes to take full effect. If you ever want to opt back in, just return to the same email or communication preferences page and turn the options back on.